Hello, I'm Kennah and welcome to my channel. Okay, for today's video guys, medyo luma na tong picture na paggagayahan ko, pero nagandahan kasi ako sa kanya. Actually, matagal ko na tong kinuha sa internet, matagal ko na tong nakita sa Instagram feed niya, but ngayon ko lang nabitan na gawin yon kasi gusto ko na maging fresh lang itong makeup look natin today. And ayoko maging heavy, ayoko ng heavy makeup ngayon. Dahil meron din akong gustong ipakita sa inyo, my newest favorite eyebrow product. So, I am talking about Miss Mariel's picture. Ewan ko kung sa Instagram ko to nakita, sa feed niya or sa IG story niya. But I will insert the picture here. Ayan, matagal na yan. Before pa siyang manganak kay Gabriela. Pero, ayan, pasensya na kung ngayon ko na yung gagawin. Kasi sobrang fresh, sobrang ganda, and alam mo yung nakaka-youthful tignan. I will try my best to, to copy, and yeah, but to copy the makeup look ha, not her face, kasi hindi ako into that makeup. Itatry ko as much as I can na gayahin yung makeup look niya doon. Pero si Miss Mariel kasi makinis, ako hindi. As you can tell, meron akong mga tigyawat ngayon dahil it's time of the month. And don't worry guys, kasi yung mga gagamitin ko dito is mura lang, of course. Wala naman akong high-end. And madali nyo silang mahanap. So yes, without any further daldal, let's move on to the fast-forwarded makeup tutorial. So this is the final look, guys, and I hope you like it as much as I do. Sobrang fresh. Thank you so much, Miss Mariel Padilla, for posting it. Kasi, ang fresh. And I really, really like the product that I use for my brows. Kung hindi kayo familiar sa packaging, hindi talaga siya masyadong boom pa. Dahil this is from a indie makeup brand, named SGJCosmetics Natural Brow in Black. You can purchase to me. Yes, I am a city distributor of this brand. So let's support small businesses and indie brands na nagka-come up and safe naman yung products. As you can tell, hindi naman ilang beses ko nang nagamit to. I think pang-lima na ngayon. And wala pang tigyawat na nangyayari sa brows ko. And in fact, feeling ko nadadagdagan niya yung brows ko. If you like and enjoy this video, of course, please hit the thumbs up button and follow me on my social media accounts. Kung di ka pa nakaka-follow, subscribe ka na rin sa channel ko if you haven't subscribed. And I hope to see you guys on my next makeup tutorial. Bye-bye!